Have you ever looked at your car's paint and noticed it has swirl marks? Well, this is often caused by moving dirt across the paint when you're washing it. Yes, washing can actually scratch your car, and it's more noticeable on dark-colored vehicles. Today, we're going to show you a way to remove excess dirt from your car's paint before you wash with this Autoglym Polar Blast. Now, you might remember we did a segment last year on Autoglym Magma, the iron removal product that impressed us so much. Autoglym is a leading car care brand in the UK and has been around since 1965. It's easy to spot on the shelves at Canadian Tire because of these royal warrants from both the Queen and Prince Charles. These are a mark of recognition to Autoglym as a supplier of car care products for use on royal vehicles. So, what is Polar Blast and how do you use it? It's a superior, dense, pH-neutral snow foam, and when applied to your vehicle with a pressure washer and foam gun, it covers your car with a rich foam blanket that clings to your car to gently loosen dirt. So, why is this important? If you remove the dirt from your vehicle without touching it, it eliminates the particles that cause those swirl marks when you're washing. Here, I'll show you how it works. Polar Blast can be used with several dilutions, depending on the foam required. Plus, the hardness of the water source can affect the foam, so a few trial runs will get the perfect mix. Now, a good starting point is 100 milliliters of Polar Blast to 500 milliliters of water in your foaming bottle. When the car is cool and out of the sunlight, spray every inch of the vehicle, starting at the bottom and working up with the thick, rich foam. Now, all you have to do is wait and let the foam work its magic as it loosens dirt for up to 10 minutes. You don't want the Polar Blast to dry on. The longer the foam remains on, the more time the active ingredient has to lift dirt from the paint. The final step is to rinse the car off with water. You are then free to wash your vehicle. If you've invested in a vehicle and you truly want to preserve the paint, a pre-wash like this Polar Blast is a great way to ensure that you've taken all the steps necessary to eliminate any harmful marks. And as a pre-wash, it's easy. You can have a Polar Blast all year long.